Today we are unboxing the Ajazz AK680 gaming keyboard. As we open the box, we get the user manual. Underneath it we have the keyboard itself. This compact 68 key layout is perfect for maximizing desk space, yet it doesn't compromise performance. Inside the box you will find the detachable USB-C cable, keycap and switch puller for easy customization. Now let's take a closer look at the keyboard. The build quality is solid with a premium feel that belies its price point. The PBT keycaps are durable and the detachable USB-C cable makes portability a breeze. With its customizable RGB backlighting, you can create the perfect gaming atmosphere that matches your style. Each keystroke feels solid and responsive thanks to its premium mechanical switches. Upgrade your setup today with the Ajazz AK680 where performance meets style.